Hey y'all, today is Sunday, the 13th of September, and today I just felt like vlogging today, which I have not had the energy to do since I've had my baby. And yeah, after 3 months after giving birth, myself and my husband were on maternity leave, and so you would think we would have time to clean the house, but no. Nah. Just trying to get used to the baby, trying to get used to the hours, and then going to doctor appointments, and then since he was on leave, we went on vacation, and we just not being able to cook and clean everything the way we wanted to after having the baby. So this vlog is basically about getting everything clean today and tomorrow. Hopefully I want to get everything clean before the Day of Atonement, which is this Tuesday at sundown until Wednesday sundown. So yeah, let's see. I already washed the dishes. As you can see, they're all up there. I just need to get this counter cleaned up, and I need to finish cleaning the stovetop. And maybe I should put the camera flip it this way next time. But yeah, because I find myself, yeah. Anyway, but yeah, it's a nice day outside. It's like 75 degrees. My husband said it's supposed to be like 75 degrees today or something, which is great. The last 7 days, he said, the weather guy said it was raining and ugly, so we got some sun today, which is great. I have this thing on, which is what I carry my baby in if he needs some close time and I need to still get some work done. But right now he's just chilling like a good little baby. He's so good. I love him. But he's good. After I finish over here, I need to tackle that over there, that whole section. And then once I'm done with the kitchen, I'm gonna go into the living room and clean that mess. And then hopefully tomorrow before sundown, I can get at least our bedroom cleaned up. So yeah, it's a lot to do. Lots to do. Yeah, that's the day today. So hope you guys enjoy watching me clean this whole house up. Maybe this video should be up maybe by, no, I'm not gonna say Wednesday, maybe Thursday. It'll give me time to actually edit everything, and if I don't get everything done by Tuesday before Atonement, then he's laughing. If I don't get everything done by right before Atonement, then I'm gonna just continue cleaning, and then hopefully I'll have the video up by Friday before sundown, before the Sabbath. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See ya. My husband and I were just looking for these headphones. Found them. I know some people might be like, why do you have this? We don't do this. Well, unfortunately, not too long after I gave birth, I wasn't producing enough milk fast enough. So I hated having to use this, but we had to use it. Not a lot, but fortunately we only had to use it maybe like for a week or two, and then we were good. After that, I started producing a lot more milk. So it was just he was just, well, at least the midwife says that he was so little that, you know, he was just trying to eat, and that my body wasn't there yet. And we had to supplement some of my milk with something else until my body was making enough milk. So unfortunately we had to use it, but praise the Most High, we don't have to use it anymore. So Similac. We don't like it. But sometimes if you have to, you have to. But now he's off. So he's off the Similac for a while now. Why can't I close this back up? Where's the... But I tell you what, I will keep it until it's bad again. You know, until it's bad. Because who knows what's going to happen. And unfortunately, this will be emergency stuff. So, and at least until we find something else that's a more healthier formula. If it's, you know, if it's ever necessary to use it. So, and these, we don't drink these. Someone gave them to us and they were just there. So those are going to get thrown out too. And it's just some of my herbs. I got to put the other herbs and supplements back over here. And yeah, I'm going to wipe this counter clean and we're going to be straight. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Receipts and stuff there. Little chicken dinners. I don't know what it is. I guess it's right at the door. I guess what it is. I don't know what. Yeah, change it there. This is Nothing by Nature. Oh, this is by Everyone. Okay, let me keep these. Keep that there. Keep that there. Alright, and back to clean.
Was the edge I had over everybody else because I knew I was more anxious and more compulsive than any of my competitors. I realized there was a certain amount of worrying that constructive.